Motion's templates have always been a great way to quickly create polished yet customized animated graphics. In Motion 3, that customization extends right into Final Cut Pro. With Motion 3, you can build a master template and then modify the template in Final Cut Pro without ever leaving the Final Cut Pro interface. Motion ships with dozens of Apple design templates, or you can create your own. To build your own template, you create a project with placeholder titles and then add drop zones for media elements. Titles in Motion are highly customizable. To create a title, click the Text tool at the top of the canvas and then click into the canvas at the position you want the text to appear. Begin typing, and your text is added to the canvas. Press the Escape key or Enter key when you're done. Use the controls in the dashboard to modify your text. To quickly dial in the right font, click to activate the font pop-up list, then scrub over the fonts in the list with your mouse held down. Motion dynamically updates your title in the canvas with the font currently selected. And if you really want to fine-tune the style of your titles, visit the inspector, which includes 3 distinct subgroups of text parameters for adjusting format, style, and layout. Note the checkbox at the bottom of the inspector labeled Publish to FCP. This ensures that the current text element will be editable in Final Cut Pro. Deselect this if you want to prevent editing in Final Cut Pro. And if you want to animate your text, choose from dozens of preset animations or generate your own using the sequence text behavior. A visit to the Library tab offers previews of all the text animations available by selecting one of the behaviors in the lower pane. If you like the look of an animation, click Apply, then adjust the desired length of the behavior in the mini timeline. Using the Add and Remove menus, you can completely customize any text behavior preset. After adding text to your template, include drop zones for any custom media elements. Choose Object, New Drop Zone to insert a drop zone into the canvas. Position and size the drop zone as desired, and even use masking tools to customize its shape. When you're finished creating, choose File, Save as Template. Name your template and choose the appropriate categories under which it should be listed. Now, in Final Cut Pro, select Add Master Template from the Sequence menu. Find your saved template in the browser window and click the Open button to load it into the viewer. Edit the template into your timeline, and then in the viewer, click over to the Controls tab. The Controls tab will list all the drop zones and published titles included in the template. Drag clips from the browser into the drop zones and substitute your desired titles for the placeholder text. The canvas will automatically update to reflect the changes you've made. Press Command R to render the template and watch it play back in real time. Templates are perfect for lower third work. Create a single elegant design and then apply it to your project repeatedly using the same template, modifying only the titles for each one. Control-click or right-click on the template in the Final Cut Pro timeline to modify the specific segment using the Open Copy in Editor command, or use the Open in Editor command to modify the original template. The latter option will update every instance of the template.